Hello, and welcome to our training series on Quality Assurance in Textile and Garments Manufacturing. In today's video, we will talk about Module 8, Planning and Executing Quality Checks. In this video, you will learn what is a quality check, why planning is critical, sample quality check plan, visual inspection aids, inline inspection example, final inspection checklist example, common pitfalls in QA execution. What is a quality check? Each check acts like a safety net. If done correctly and on time, they prevent problems from reaching the customer. Definition: a quality check is a planned inspection of materials, processes, or finished products to make sure they meet defined standards. Types of checks in textile garment industry. 1. Raw material inspection, example fabric, trims. 2. In-process or inline inspection. 3. Final inspection, before packing or shipment. Why planning is critical? Ensures inspections happen on time. Makes sure QA teams are available where needed. Helps prioritize risk styles and urgent orders. Avoids last-minute inspections and shipment delays. Sample quality check plan. Inspection type: fabric inspection. Responsible: QA and stores. When to perform: within 24 hours of fabric arrival. Tools needed: fabric inspection SOP. Inspection type: inline check. Responsible: line QA. When to perform: first hour plus hourly intervals. Tools needed: defect sheet, measuring tape. Inspection type: final inspection. Responsible: QA lead. When to perform: 100% before packing starts. Tools needed: final checklist, buyer spec sheet. Visual inspection aids. Tools help make decisions easier and faster, especially for new inspectors. Checklists for each inspection stage. Color-coded tags: pass, hold, reject. Defect reference cards with photos. Measuring tools: tapes, scales, GSM cutters. Mobile apps or tablets for digital inspections. Inline inspection example. Scenario: QA performs an hourly check on a trouser line. They find 12% of units have seam puckering. Actions taken: QA alerts line supervisor. Machine settings checked and adjusted. Retraining done for 2 operators. Defects reduced to 2% in next hour. Final inspection checklist example. Checklist includes stitch quality, measurement specs, label and packaging accuracy, color and shade match, cleanliness and presentation. Tip: use AQL method for final inspection sampling. Common pitfalls in QA execution. Skipping checks due to time pressure. Incomplete documentation. QA team unaware of latest buyer requirements. No action taken after defect discovery. Solutions: share daily QA plan with all teams. Train on updated buyer specs. Regularly review checklists and logs. Quick summary: Module 8. Plan inspections in advance and assign responsibility. Perform quality checks at all key stages. Use proper tools and documentation. Take immediate action when defects are found. Consistent QA execution is equal to fewer reworks and higher buyer satisfaction. Thank you for joining this training session. We hope you learned something valuable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in Module 9.